Hi guys, welcome to today's session at TrinoCode. In our previous video, we learned about 5 basic elements used in Bubble. So in today's session, we'll go a step ahead and learn about slider input. I'm sure all of you must have seen what is a slider input. So today we'll learn how to use it in Bubble. So without further ado, let's get started. From our elements tree, select slider input. Here it is. Create a box and then your element box will appear. You can change the minimum and maximum value of your slider input, whatever you want. So let's change it from 10 to 100. You can also increase or decrease the length of your slider input. Now let's just preview how it looks. So here's our slider input. You can slide the values, but the problem is where are our values that will increase or decrease as we move the slider. So for that, we'll have to insert a text. Let's select text and then create a box. In the text A, let's input amount and then insert dynamic data, slider input A's value. So then it will show our amount. Let's preview. See, here it is. As we move the slider, our amount changes. And we selected the range from 10 to 100, so it will always be between 10 to 100. The maximum will be 100. There are also many more features which you can use, like you can even format according to you. Thousand separator, decimal separator also, decimal place, you want 1 digit, 2 digit. Now let's suppose change our minimum and maximum value. Now let's preview. See, the amount is separated by comma and 2 decimal places. As you increase, as you move the slider towards right, it will increase. As you move it towards left, it will decrease. Now, you can also change the style of your slider. If you want to change the handle color, you can change any color according to your wish. You can even change the background color. You can change the border color. All these cosmetic changes you can do as per your wish. If you want to make it more big, you can do that as well. Now let's just preview it. See, the colors changed. But the text is still the same. As you will move the slider towards right, your amount will increase. And the maximum value will be 50,000 because we have selected that. Your amount will always be between the range which you select. So in our case, we selected from 20,000 to 50,000. So minimum will be 20 and maximum will be 50. So I hope you understood what is a slider input and you enjoyed the session. Don't forget to like, share and comment on our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.